The gas pipe's been installed, the gas fitter's been here. So we'll take you around to the gas bottle. So the regulator, which is what I installed, and I've connected to the gas pipe, been run down there, it's been Sikaflexed. It's insulated. It comes out through there, runs along underneath the floor of the van, back up in through there, and over to the gas bottle, which is just over here. I've also put just a little valve at the end, so any residual water will just come out and it won't rust the inside. So it's been switched on. My water regulator temperature is on as well. That's you need that, otherwise you might burn yourself. So there's a couple of leaks, but we fixed that. So let's go see if we have any hot water. Alright. It's the moment of truth. Again. It's a bit cold. Oh yep, it's getting, oh that's nice. Nice warm water. Fantastic. So now we're ready to have a hot shower. Can't wait.